Hi. So I learned many things with this topic. I learned that Korea is a wonderful place to live in and that people there are always looking to help each other out in any way possible. Also learned that Korea is very interested in education and learning in general by having classes apart from school and for almost everything so that their people have basic knowledge in almost everything. One thing related to education that I thought was very interesting was when in a video it was said that during exam weeks people will go in for work later so that students can catch buses earlier, and also that policemen have the obligation of taking a student to their class if they are late for it. It was very interesting that I've always liked Blackpink, who is a Korean girl group. So, learning more about the entertaining industry in Korea, including K pop and K dramas, um, and how it's one of the main aspects in the country, was very fun. Another thing that I learned was that in Korea, people take health very seriously since everyone there eats healthy things such as cooked vegetables, lots of water, and also hot tea in the morning instead of coffee. This is to clean their stomach before the day. It is also very hard to find something that's fried in Korea or something that is very common here in America, like all the bad food, um, and also the snacks people eat in Korea and generally in all of Asia are rice based and not things such as fries or chocolates and things like that. Another thing that I learned was that South Korea and North Korea have been in dispute for a very long time, but they are now trying to solve their differences. I remember I saw recently in the news, and this helped me with my topic, that both of their presidents like had a handshake and they passed to each other's borders. So I thought that was very cool, and I think that's very good because they are still gonna be separate countries with different political visions, but they don't have problems between each other. South Korea political system and economy in general is very good. This is mainly due because there are a lot of tourists that go to Korea every year looking for all the things that I've already mentioned, looking for going to a K-pop concert, or because they just want to enjoy the culture in general and visit touristic places. Um, so that's why the economy in Korea is very good. And another reason why it's very good is because um, in Korea there's not as much corruption as there is in many other countries such as Colombia. People in Korea take all these things very seriously. So in general they're a very organized country and make everything how they want it to be. So basically I learned a lot with this topic, and I would actually like to go to Korea one day because all of these things make me like realize how it is a very nice country where people treat each other nicely and are always trying to help you out. So yeah, I would really enjoy visiting Korea, and I really like this topic. Thank you.